Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to become a digital marketer from campaigns to analytics. Imagine you are Sarah, an inspiring digital marketer eager to learn the ropes of online advertising and analytics. So, we will follow her journey as she progresses from creating Google Ads campaigns to mastering analytical tools and the marketing stack. The journey of becoming a successful online marketer starts with the fundamentals. You need to master the skills and strategies of creating effective Google Ads campaigns that can reach your target audience and generate conversions. You also need to learn how to research and select the right keywords for your ads, how to optimize your quality scores and ad rank, and how to drive more traffic to your website or landing page. You will also need to discover how to measure and improve your campaign performance using analytics and testing tools. As you progress in your online marketing journey, you understand that a successful campaign is not only measured by how many clicks you get, but also by how many of those clicks turn into paying customers. You want to make sure that your landing page is aligned with your ad and offers a clear and compelling value proposition to your visitors. You explore the principles and best practices of landing page design, such as clarity, relevance, trust, and urgency. You also learn how to use tools like Canva, a free online graphic design platform, to create stunning and professional-looking landing pages that can boost your conversion rates. You will be amazed by how much more you can improve your landing page performance by applying some simple design tips and tricks. Armed with your newfound knowledge, you purchase a domain and create a captivating landing page for an imaginary automotive client. You know that a well-designed landing page can make all the difference. Now, you shift your focus to analytics. You understand the importance of data-driven decisions and start with Google Analytics. Take a beginner's course to get familiar with reports and data analysis. Becoming an expert in analytics requires a constant pursuit of learning and discovery within Google Analytics. By exploring its various reports and dashboards on a regular basis, you can navigate the vast data seas and uncover insights from every wave. This is how you sharpen your skills, not just as an observer, but as a data-driven decision maker. Think of Google Analytics as your information treasure chest. Every visit, click, and interaction is a precious hint waiting to be solved. The reports and dashboards are your reliable tools, helping you dig out these data nuggets and extract insights that will inform your marketing strategies. It is not just about understanding the numbers, it is about transforming them to actionable knowledge that powers your campaigns, improves user experience, and optimizes ROI. Google Analytics is not the only tool that can help you understand how your website visitors interact with your site and what kind of experience they have. There are other analytical tools that can provide you with more insights and data on user behavior and website performance. One of these tools is Microsoft Clarity, which is a free and easy-to-use tool that lets you see how users navigate your site, what they click on, how far they scroll, and more. Microsoft Clarity also allows you to watch session replays and view heat maps to visualize user behavior and identify issues and opportunities for improvement. By using Google Analytics and Microsoft Clarity together, you can gain a comprehensive understanding of your website and optimize it for your users. Now, you reach the advanced stage of your journey. Immerse yourself in the marketing stack, learning Google Ads, Google Tag Manager, and Data Studio. These tools help you connect the dots in the digital marketing ecosystem. With your newfound knowledge and skills, you become a sought-after digital marketer. You ace job interviews, impressing potential employers with your proficiency in campaign management, landing page design, analytics, and the marketing stack. Your journey from creating campaigns to mastering analytics and the marketing stack serves as a testament to the importance of continuous learning in the ever-evolving field of digital marketing. As you embark on your career, you know that staying updated and adapting to new technologies will be key to your success. Are you interested in learning more about how to become a successful digital marketer? Do you want to master the skills and strategies that will help you grow online presence and reach your target audience? If yes, then you should definitely watch our next video, where we will dive deeper into the topic of how to become a digital marketer, basic to mastery. Also, in other videos, we will cover the essential aspects of digital marketing, such as SEO, content marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, and more. We will also show you how to use various tools and platforms to create and execute effective digital marketing campaigns. By watching this video, you will gain a solid foundation of digital marketing knowledge and be able to apply it to your own projects. So, don't miss this opportunity and subscribe to our channel now to be updated with the latest videos on digital marketing. We hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.